Morning, morning. It's our camper van. Woo! Look at all that love. Are we ready for this? I think we're ready. What up, people? It's back home in crazy hot Texas weather. We are in Iceland and it's actually sunny. And look at this view. Yeah, because I'm in it, yes. That thing just burns. Horses! Wait, does it work? Oh, he ate the carrot. My turn. Come on, baby. Ah, don't eat my hand.
You have to do it like this.
I know. Attempt number 2. It tickles. It tickles. Oh, hi, you're so cute. Beautiful. You have anger management issues? Why are you breaking all the ice?
It's driving madness.
Gourmet food right here, guys. Super gourmet. You look crazy.
Freedom!
Jerky?
Yeah.